Good day to all. I'm Williams G. Maveli from India. Wishing you all a blessed day. First of all, I wish to thank the authorities of Panorama International Literary Festival 2020. I was invited by Honorable Author Preet Nampia. I extend my gratitude for the invite and for the invite I wish to thank Interscrolls Press, the publication division in association with the Writers Capital International Foundation based in Italy. Good day to all. Poetry writing is a deep passion for me since my childhood. Why I'm saying or why I'm starting with the poetry means it has got a different entity compared to the other areas of arts. For example, drama, novel, short story, or travelogue, whatever it may be. When it comes to the poetry, it means to me that when there is a pain for you in your life, there comes the poetry, the realistic poetry is from your own pain or your own suffocation in life. This is a personal belief from me. I am not referring to any other authors, whether international or internal authors. For me, it is poetry is pain, and when there is pain, you write the real poetry. That is what I feel in a short way of exposing my poetic aptitude or poetic joy to all the viewers of this video. Now, talking about myself, I wish to make a limited words and sentences. I'm a journalist based in Kerala, Cochin, as well as in Bangalore. My last 32 years life was based in United Arab Emirates, in various Emirates like Abu Dhabi, Ras Al Khaimah, with Emirates Telecommunication Corporation. I was a project manager there. So, although I was a project manager, I used to contribute features, write-ups to Khaleej Times, Gulf News and Gulf Today in United Arab Emirates, basically in Dubai and Sharjah. After coming back to India, right now I am involved in writing my books of poetry as well as my life experiences. My first book in English has been titled as Souls. When I say souls, it's not a single word, it's SOS.O.U.L.S, souls. Spirituality of Unknown Luminaries Symphony. That is a full form of souls. That's the first book with 150 selected poems from my life. And the second book is Aboard, that is also with full stops A.B.O.D.E, Aesthetic Bliss of Divine Entity, consisting 405 selected poems. Prior to those two books, I had contributed to my mother tongue 5 books, 4 are poetry and 1 screenplay titled Let That Butterfly Go. So, I don't want to brief much about my own contributions to literature. I am a child standing on the shore looking and enjoying the ocean of literature. That's how I wish to conclude that personal instinct or personal profile. Now, coming back to literature, When we say poetry, it is different from other areas of art. Like when we take drama, it's an activity from an author through an actor towards audience, and in turn from the audience we go through the characters or actors come to the author's point of view. So it is a vice versa activity. It is happening with many audience directly, whereas a poet's activity goes from one person to one person, not a full audience. It can be with a full audience, but basically it is a one-to-one activity. You recite a poem, even if there is only one audience or one listener. But in drama, you cannot do that with one listener. If a theater is being rendered with one listener or audience, you cannot perform a drama. Drama needs more people to enact and all that. But a poetry can be recited instantly directly to a person directly. So it is a direct art. There is no media in between. Because of that, I love writing poetry. Moreover, writing poetry, I am involved in writing poetic analysis. To supplement that, I had in-depth with consisting 60 global poets' poems and its related reviews penned by me. The second book, it is a trilogy actually. The second book in that is Insight, which is also having 60 global poets' individual poems, and my appreciation or analysis and reviews based on that 60 poems. It's available in Amazon India and Amazon.com. Furthermore, I had written some other books like Cherry Blossoms, based on the life and poetry of Cherry Sumner, based in Florida in America. So this is the summary for my books and all that. Of course, if you go to Amazon, you will come to know more details about my profile or my author's page. I am known as Williams G. Maveli. That's all what I wish to say. And the message for all these viewers is that when you write, don't think about who is going to read your poetry or your novel or your story. Reading is different from writing, because the readers will come later. The publishers will come later. You see, when you write something, you interact with your inner child and do the writing sincerely, honestly, without hiding anything. That's the first rule which I wish to say to all of you. And this is my message, and good luck to all. I again specially thank Preet Nambiar, who invited me for this festival. I wish all the best for the success of this festival, and greetings to all, love to all, bye to all. Thank you.